Hello everyone, hello Leo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Now this is your weekly reading for July 6th to 12th. So I've already shuffled these cards. Let's see how your week goes. Four of Pentacles. So Four of Pentacles is about some of you holding your money tightly. You do not want to spend, maybe you're not wanting to spend your money. So it is a card that tells you not to be so firm with holding your money that even you cannot move, like the creativity cannot flow, new ideas cannot flow. So do not hold on to the, maybe the idea of making money so firmly that you cannot see things in a new perspective, in a different perspective. It could also be talking about, something like a business that isn't working for you, and you're still trying to catch hold of that. So to release things which are not working, please release it. So this is what I feel from the Four of Pentacles card for some of you. Ten of Rods. Ten of Rods, Leo, is talking about you have taken a lot of responsibility on yourself. You are working hard day and night, and it's like, you're very focused and dedicated, but that has led to a lot of burden on you. So it's like high time to unburden yourself a little. Put the weight on that ground and do some exercises, take care of yourself. Only then you will feel fresh and motivated to go back to work every day, every single day. Let me clarify what this burden. Ten of Rods. Why is this Ten of Rods here? Why is this Ten of Rods here? Six of Swords. I feel, this is that you want to move away from a situation. You want to, this card, this is the clarification card. You are trying to move away from a certain situation which is not, which you do not feel great about. Maybe there were losses for some of you, or you lost something. And that moving away, you have, or maybe you have moved away from a certain situation, but the thoughts continue to burden your mind. Maybe there was a partnership which fell apart, or you left a job, and now that with those thoughts you feel burdened a lot, Leo. Let me pick out a third card. Eight of Cups. This card also is, it's of moving away from something. Let me clarify this, because the other cards also showing some of you definitely moving away. Maybe you're taking up a new job, or you are venturing into a new business, or you are putting your money somewhere else. You used to do it in a certain way, now you are moving it somewhere else. So there is of course some movement for some of you. Let us check the Justice card. So Leo, I feel although with this Four of Pentacles card and all, there are financial gains for some of you. With Justice card, I feel that there will be some gains. You will get some unexpected gains in inheritance, from inheritance, and this there could be some delays, or there could delays, because Mercury retrograde right now is just this 1 week, and then Mercury goes forward from 13th. So the delay could be a very small delay for some of you. Also, I feel that you are working and trying to do save money, make your asset grow. These are the thoughts that is in your mind, Leo, at present, and you are working towards it. So it's a good, you are adding value to your portfolio by adding, maybe small assets, big assets, but yes, you are trying to grow your money, Leo. So this is it for the week. See you next week.